Don't forget, if you like art and you want to show it, pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. These are only going to be around till October 31st, 2022. And then after that, I'm going to take them away forever. So pick one up before then. I put these on water bottles. I put these on, on my laptop. I put them all over the place. But definitely pick one up if you like showing your spirit. Anyways, let's get back.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jaws from the movie. It's basically going to be a shark pointed up, and that's pretty much it. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, so let's get started. Excuse me. Alright, so first thing I do here is I'm going to start with kind of the top, like the tip of the nose of the shark. You can see mostly the underside. And I'm going to pull a line downward over here. Downward, okay? It's gonna slightly curve in, not too much, but it's gonna slightly curve down. Over here, slightly curve down. Alright. And then I'm gonna pull a line here. It's gonna be going outwards. Line over here. On this side. Line over here. Okay? Cool. Let's go over here to the nostrils. Pull line in, up right there, like a check mark. Line over here on this side. Same thing. It's basically like, again, nostrils, check mark. Let's go over here and we're going to draw the eyes. So it's going to be a curve over here, and they're going to be dark eyes, so I'm going to fill that in. Alright. Line here for the mouth, and now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the actual teeth. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to draw a line up, curve down, over here. So that's one curve. I'm going to go over here on this side, pull in, up, curve over here, pulling down over here on this side. And over here on this side now I'm gonna kind of fill in the teeth pretty much, because the teeth are pretty well. Before that, you can fill in the counter shading, so you can kind of maybe draw a thin line over here at the tip. And you can go over here, just again like a thin line downward, very thin. Like so. Line up over here, line up over here. That thin line is gonna, make it look like the top shading of the shark, right? We're looking at the underside of the shark. If you ever saw Jaws, hit the like, absolutely. More likes on this video, the more it's gonna send out to, more people it's gonna send out to. So definitely hit that like if you're a fan of Jaws or sharks. Over here now, I'm gonna go into the mouth, and I'm literally just gonna do just these triangular shapes right here. Down for the most part, not all the way down, but most of the way down. Go over here now, like the teeth aiming upward now. I'm doing cool. And I would say if you want to finish this off, like do the water at the top. Kind of like a water shape. To give it some context, right? You want that context by doing this very simple water shape. Don't forget, go check out the main website if you want to learn how to draw in general, right? If you're like, hey, I've always wanted to learn how to draw, and you don't want to be the same next year, like you don't want to be the same caliber of artist. If you want to be much higher by next year or something like that, definitely click the subscribe, click the bell notification. But I was gonna say the best thing to do would be to check out the main website at sketchingeasy.com. Sketchingeasy.com is going to give you that main, it's going to give you that feel. It's going to give you all the tools you need to kind of become an artist in general, right? People struggle a lot with, right here I'm going to draw lines of the teeth just a bit for kind of some dimension. People struggle a lot with just improving, and I understand that there's too much information out there, and I wanted to make a simple spot for anybody to go to and just kind of like get that down. So for example, somebody's like, I've never drawn in my life, where do I start? I have a lesson for that. Like, there's a free lesson for that on that page right now sitting there. Go check it out. You just gotta go to the front page, click the dragon, and it's gonna give you that free lesson. So that's a really big resource, so I highly recommend you use it. I'm gonna fill in the mouth there. I think I decided I'm gonna fill it in dark. While I'm doing that, I'll say, hey, what's up? This is a Halloween channel. We are the largest source for Halloween YouTube. We're the largest source of Halloween drawing tutorials on YouTube. So definitely take advantage. Go check out the playlist. Give some suggestions of something you want to see that's Halloween related, right? This is a horror movie, so I figure that's, pretty close to something Halloween related. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, if you don't see something on the site, let me know and I'll do it, okay? It's fun to do that. I'm trying to fill out the Simpsons Halloween special playlist. I just made that this year, so I'm trying to fill that out. It's easy, pretty close to filling this out here. But that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna give a little bit of thickness around the outer edge here, a little bit. But this is a community. We're all in it together. We're in it for some cool art and to kind of just create cool art. So definitely do that, okay? Reach out here, reach out anywhere you want. I'm available. Say what's up. Hey, I'll be there. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll talk to you in the next video, and I want you to stay spooky.